it is time again for another Temu haul, and I'm here to share with you guys stuff to make your lives a little bit better. I'm really into getting stuff to help me organize, work things better, get through with life, and today's items are kitchen stuff. So anything you guys see here is stuff that you guys can help your kitchen work better, feel better, and let's just share with everything that I got. So if you guys know me, I've been sharing with you guys Temu hauls for a while now. I absolutely love their stuff. I love their prices, and they actually have an app if you guys are interested. You guys can download the app. I will have a link below, or you can download it on your own, but you definitely want to use the code DKJ568282, and you guys can actually get a $100 bundle. Not a coupon code, but it is a $100 bundle of all the different things. Now it does vary per person, but you guys can get a bunch of stuff for just $100, which is an awesome deal for a fraction of the price. Temu already has awesome prices, but with that little bundle you guys can save even more just by using the bundle code. So definitely check with it. But I wanted to share with you guys everything that I got to help me get my kitchen back to organize and just work with things here and there. So the first thing I got is something I can use for my kitchen, but it's also something I can use for my bathroom. I kind of want like a little soap dispenser holder. So I thought this is something that's really cute. All it is just a silicone little flap thing. This was $5.99, and keep in mind these prices do vary for when you guys click on it, but I will have links for everything below that I have. But what I was thinking of doing is put in like my soap little dispenser here and then maybe something else, but I'm kind of sick of like how there's always like a soap ring from my soap dispenser on my sink, and I thought this would kind of just make my sink a little bit cuter. I also could put this in my kitchen sink because we're always washing our hands at the kitchen sink too, but for $5.99 I thought this was a great thing to get. The next thing I got is what I'm super excited for, are these bear claw scrapers. Now I have been really wanting to do a lot of crock pot meals, and they always have where you need shredded chicken, and I end up getting chicken, but I end up using like a fork, and it's kind of annoying, and I've always wanted one of these little claw things. So these are 99 cents each. I got 2 of them, but what these are just little things that you just take your meat and you just shred them. You shred them. The parts are like, they're plastic, but it's pretty sharp, and I'm pretty excited to make my crock pot meals, especially with chicken, with these. But for 99 cents, you can't go wrong with these little claws, and I'm pretty excited to start working some of my meals with that. The next thing I got was this little spatula or spoon rest. So I thought this was silicone, but it is a hard plastic. But basically what it is just something that I can have on my kitchen stove or near my stove, and I can put my utensils of whatever I'm cooking on here, so I don't have to put it on like the bare countertop. And this is just something I can put right in my dishwasher after I use it. And I thought this is clean because I'm sick of always scrubbing up dried food that like we put our spoon down and then it just sits there. But this is something, and I like it how you have 4 different meals cooking at the same time that you can put right on here. But this is just $1.69, so this is a great deal if you guys are interested in something like this. The next thing I got was the Screaming Mama or Angry Mama. So what this is just a steam thing that I got. I know you put like vinegar and water in here, and I did this one time in a bowl and like something exploded in my bathroom or my thing. But I thought maybe getting something like this might help steam it a little bit better. But she looks pretty easy. I know I thought these were silicone, but it is a hard plastic. I gotta figure out how to open this up. But unless you just pour it from the top, there we go. So you just kind of twist it from the top, and then her head comes out, or her head just sits like this, and then you put her hair back on, and voila, you got your Screaming Mama. So got something like that. That is $1.76. The next thing I got is a cereal dispenser. Now I really want to try this out. Now this comes in a 2-pack or a 1-pack. I just got the 1 because I wanted to give it a try. But my kids are always digging out cereal, and I'm like, put it in a bowl, put it in a bowl, put it in a bowl. Sorry, my kids are screaming. They don't understand that I'm recording. So thank you. So basically, it's in a lot of pieces, but I'm pretty excited to put this together and use it for my kids' cereal because they can always just pour some in a bowl and have it be something quick. I gotta figure out how to put this in. But it's just have it something really quick where you just turn it and it's an easy thing like that. I will figure out all the rest of the instructions, but oh, you guys can figure this out without even using the instructions. I got it figured out right here. So yes, so basically you're just gonna put it on. It won't click on right now, but then you'll just turn it and there you go. You got your cereal, and hopefully my kids won't be making a mess. This little thing is a rubber little gasket, so that's something that's kind of cool, but it does come with a bottom and then it comes with like a little drip tray. But that is just $13.99. So hopefully that works and keeps my kids from not making a mess. I ended up just getting a little purple little spatula. This was just 79 cents. I wanted something small, something easy to spread over some of my foods without using like a huge chunk, but this is super easy. 79 cents for a little spatula. You can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. The next thing I got is I got 5 bowls of stainless steel bowls. We're always like we always need like little bowls here and there to mix things with, and I'm like, why not get some bowls for, you know, mixing stuff in. I don't always need a big bowl, so having something tiny. Then we got the medium size, another kind of bigger medium, and this is just perfect. Or if when we want to have popcorn, all 4 of us can have our own size popcorn, however we want. But this was just $14.69 for non-slip stainless steel mixing bowls. So we got that for $14.69. The next thing I got are these silicone mats. Now I use silicone mats like crazy. I have a baking sheet that I keep in my oven, and then I just use these silicone mats to cook right over them. So this is a set of 5 and it's $11.99. So we got 2 of the big sizes, which is actually a size that I need. You can put cookies on here. We just cook everything on it, but this is good to, like, you know, pay attention to where you can put the cookies. But this is a perfect size. This is something I will use on a regular basis all the time, and I just put them in my dishwasher when I want to clean them. So we got 2 of those, and then they gave us 2 of these little square ones. So if I have like a smaller little tin that I can use, I got a square one. Actually, I got a little bit of a smaller one than the larger ones, and then there's a round one, which is kind of cool. So if you're like doing a bowl or something, so you got those little non-stick things for just $11.99. The next thing I got is chip clips. You can't go wrong with chip clips. My kids go crazy. I'm like, use a chip clip, use a chip clip. And I thought maybe these would be a little bit easier for them because they got an easy gripper. One thing I absolutely like. So these are just $1.49. $1.49 so for some simple chip clips. You can't go wrong, and they don't even have to be used for chip clips. They can be used for so many things, but I really wanted to get the big wide ones because sometimes like they open the whole bag, and I'm just trying to save the chips. We gotta save the chips, you know, for $1.70 or $1.49. The next thing I got is I ended up getting some food pantry dividers. I got one with this one is, I don't know the difference between the two. One of them is $7.99 and the other one is $6.49. I think this one is $6.49. But basically what it is, it's like a little snack bin. I was thinking of putting like all their little snacks and putting them in here so they can see it. They're not in the boxes because the boxes just get kind of lost and the kids just don't pay attention. But I feel like if I can organize their snacks a little bit better, this would be a great thing. So this was $6.49, but I love it, I love it, I love it. Then I ended up getting this one. This one is $7.99, so that's a little bit wider, but it has where I could just leave it as is, just like that, or it's got little dividers in here, which I kind of like. And it's super easy just to make them in there. So instead of having my thing on display like this, I could have it on display like this and put stuff here. So like I plan on putting like hot chocolate packets in here, fruit snacks, all that kind of stuff in these little dividers for my closet, which I am pretty excited about. So that was everything that I got for Temu for all my kitchen stuff. I hope you guys can enjoy it. I will have links below if you guys are interested in any of this stuff. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love sharing with you guys some great things to make your life easier. But again, make sure you guys check out that app so you guys can check it out. I have the app, I use it, I check it out all the time if I'm trying to search for something, but they have great prices that you guys can't beat, and their shipping is pretty fast. So if you guys are interested, get that stuff in now. But again, give this video a great big thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. See you guys later. Bye-bye.